Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. You're welcome to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. We have a question on the board. We are asked to look for the percentage of the student that plays football. Alright, first of all, we are going to get the total number of students. So, total students is equal to 250 boys plus 150 girls, which will give us 400. This is the total number of students. So now let's get 60% of the boys. 60% of the boys that's involved in the game, 60% of boys is equal to 60 all over 100 multiplied by 250. Okay? Whichever way you want to go about it, is either you do 0 cancel 0 and 0 cancel 0 here, you are left with 6 multiplied by 25, which will give us 150. So 150 is the number for 60% of boys. Now let us do for girls. Okay, girls is 40%. 40% of girls is equal to 40 all over 100 multiplied by 150. Okay, 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. We are left with 4 multiplied by 15, which will give us 60. So it's equal to 60. Alright, now the total number of students that we are involved in playing the game will now be, the total number of students that involved will be 150 plus 60, which is equal to 210. Now to get the percentage, it will now be the students that were involved in the game, the total number of students all over, the total number of students that were involved in playing the football all over the total number of students in the school. So which will now be, our percentage will now be 210, which is the total number of students that play the ball, the football, including boys and girls, all over the total number of students in the school, which is 400. So 0 we cancel 0. Our final answer will now be 0.52. Let's say 5. I think so. 0.525. So now, to represent this as a percentage, because it is in decimal now, it will now be 52.5%. So this is our final answer. Thanks for watching and God bless you.